Hi guys, and welcome to another episode tutorial with me, Joseph Evans, author of the Secret Sequence, the Phoenix Prophecy, the Ember Effect, and now, of course, Soulbound, which is going to be coming out very soon, so keep a lookout for that one on episode. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do remembering choices, and by that what I mean is how to have your script remember things that the player chooses. So I've already set up a little scene here using one of the new episode backgrounds, Ext Outdoor Street OL Day. I'm cutting to Zone 2, and the reason for that is just that there was a tree in Zone 1 that was covering Sekri's face, which is clearly the OL part, the overlay part. So we're just going straight to Zone 2. I've got Aya standing screen right, and she's facing left, and Sekri standing screen left, and Sekri's facing right. So I'm going to go straight in here and have Sekri. He's going to ask Aya what her favourite colour is, and the player is going to be playing the role of Aya, and the player will be able to choose out of three options, red, green or blue, what their favourite colour is. So let's have Sekri say, "What's your favourite colour, Aya?" And we'll have him doing the Turk shrug animation. And that should not be a hyphen, that's an underscore. And then Aya's going to do the signature ... that I like to use, which kind of just shows that the character is thinking about their answer. And then we're going to write choice and quotation marks. And the first one we're going to write is red. Now, if this stuff confuses you here, make sure to go back and watch my simple choices tutorial, which kind of goes over the basics of how to construct choices in your stories. This is a little bit more advanced, so if this stuff does come naturally to you, then carry on. But if you are struggling to understand exactly what I'm doing here, just go back and watch that simple choices video and everything should be explained there. So within these curly brackets here, we are going to want to write, first of all, Aya's response, which she's just going to say, "It's red." And she'll do the Turk smile animation, I think. And then here is where we actually get the script to remember that choice. And to do that, we're going to be gaining what is called a flag. So you actually have to write the word gain here. No @ symbol, so just gain like that. And then you can actually write whatever you like here. You can name this flag whatever you want. To keep it simple, I'm going to name the flag chose _red. The reason it's an underscore is just because it has to be one word. And instead of just writing it like that, which looks a bit kind of weird, just separate your words with underscores. So gain chose red. That's all we need to do within this option here. So let's duplicate this, copy and paste there. And we just got to change this all to blue. So, and of course remember to change the flag name as well. And do the same for the third choice, which we want to give the users, which is green. There we go. So that is your three options there that they can choose from. And the script will remember which option the player chooses. So the next thing to do is just have Sekri react to this. So let's just have Sekri nodding. So Sekri is nod. And then we're going to cut away to later on. Let's just do an int black night here with the narrator saying later that day. And then let's add a new scene. In this instance, I'm going to use the int theatre night, which is a nice new one. And we'll have Aya, she stands screen left. We don't need to write in zone 1 because she'll automatically default to zone 1 anyway. So she stands screen left and Aya faces right. And what I'm going to have here is Sekri enter the scene, but I want him to be wearing a shirt which is the same colour as Aya's chosen favourite colour. Now, what I've already done is I've gone into the outfits section and I have created 3 separate outfits for Sekri to wear. So I've made Sekri red, Sekri green and Sekri blue. Just click on him here to show you the difference. So let's go back to our script and we're going to have Sekri change into whatever Aya's favourite colour is. So first of all, we want to have Sekri in the scene somewhere, because you can't have a character change clothes without them being in the scene somewhere. So to have them change clothes off screen, you just want to put them in a different zone to the one what the camera is focused on. So let's put Sekri in zone 2. So Sekri stands screen center in zone 2. Doesn't matter which way he's facing because he's not going to be seen at that point anyway. And then this is the kind of complicated bit. So watch this bit really carefully because you have to be really meticulous about your kind of wording here. If there's a bracket in the wrong place or if there's a space in the wrong place, it's going to give you errors and it's going to be really frustrating. So just make sure you're being really meticulous and copy exactly what I do. So you want to write the word if first of all, and then open up a rounded bracket here. And then you want to put the name of your first flag in there. So chose red was the name of our first flag. Close your rounded bracket. And then you want to open up a curly bracket. Press return twice and close your curly bracket. So anything that happens between these two here is going to only happen if the player chose red as their favorite color. So if the player chooses red as their favorite color, we want Sekri to change into the red outfit. So all we need to do is write Sekri changes into Sekri red, which is the file name of the red one. There we go. So here's a confusing thing. Instead of writing the word if again at this point, you're going to have to write the word elif, which actually stands for else if. So it's ELIF, and write it right next to the end of the curly brackets from the first option there. And then do a space, open up your rounded bracket again, and put the next one, which is chose blue. And then you can close that with another rounded one. Open up your curly bracket and close your curly bracket, and then within this we're going to copy and paste the first change and just change that there to blue. And now you've got that one in place as well. You can copy and paste the whole thing there and paste that for the third one. So it's elif again. So the first one is always if, and then everything after that is elif. So just change that to green and the outfit to green. And we are good to go. All we need to do then is have Sekri actually walk into camera shot. So Sekri walks to, let's say, up screen right in zone 1. And then he's going to say, what do you think of my outfit, Aya? I'm wearing your favorite color. And let's have him do the torque shrug animation to begin with, and then something like torque happy there. And then let's have Aya respond by saying, I love it. And she's going to do the torque excited animation, I think. Okay, let me just save that and check for errors, just in case I've made any mistakes or typos. Excellent, that is all good. So the next thing to do is just to show you what that looks like. Here we go. Okay, that is it, guys. That's all you need to know for that version of remembering choices. There is an alternate way of doing this, which is kind of, in some situations it's simpler. In some situations, this is the better one to use. So they both do almost the same thing. But there will be a remembering choices method too. So keep a lookout for that one if you're not particularly fussed on the way I've done this here. So yeah, keep your comments coming. I'm really sorry I haven't been able to answer all of you, but I love the fact that other users are answering people and helping everybody out. So it's kind of become like a really great community where everybody's helping each other. So that's fantastic. Thank you so much. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Good luck with your stories.